Hi guys, today I'm doing this unboxing video of Samsung S25 Ultra. Here you go, that's the S25 Ultra. This cover is the blue one, and that's one is the there you go. This is 12 GB RAM, 512 GB ROM, titanium, silver blue, made in Taiwan. It's all locked, as you can see. It's in here and here. Let's open up. Let's unbox this one. That's it. If the seal is broken, please don't buy it. Somebody already used it. There we go. That's it. And okay, let's open nicely. That's it. That's a Samsung S25 Ultra. Looks pretty good. Camera is, and you can see these are the camera. Tray, and that's a pen. As always, so it looks pretty good. That's a S25 Ultra. It's a handful. It one more time. This must be speakers. That's a pen. There you go. This speakers microphone. Same there. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you like video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe it. Thank you. And I'll make one video. Let's turn it on. Phone, and there you go, nothing inside other than phone. You just get this piece, I think that's just a charging cable, and SIM tray, that's a piece of paper, that's to put the SIM card in, and that's a cables for the SIM. I try to turn on the phone. It looks like it doesn't have much battery. I need to charge it up. That's weird. Usually they have some sort of battery. Anyway. Alright, thanks for watching guys.